Maiasaura mamas. Maya! Always protecting our babies. Never leaving them alone.
Safety is our top priority.
We're the best mamas. The love of Mama Maiasaura.
It is a warm, sunny afternoon, and Maiasaura mamas are gathered and caring for their young.
Oh dear, I must have fallen asleep. Oh.
Looks like you didn't sleep last night, Mama Maya.
You're right. I was busy taking care of the egg.
Mama, I'm hungry.
I bet you're hungry. Have you eaten all the leaves I picked yesterday?
Mama, how about I go find some food?
No! Don't you know how dangerous it is in the dinosaur forest?
That's right.
It's too dangerous for a baby dinosaur to go there alone.
That's right.
So don't go out into the woods alone.
Yeah, not alone. Mama Maya, I'll watch the kids. You go to the woods.
All right, thanks. Baby Maya, watch the egg until I'm back, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Hey, your baby Mayu is running into the forest.
What? Oh dear, what a mess! I'll quickly run and catch Mayu. Baby Maya, you stay here for a sec, okay?
Okay, don't worry about me. I'm so bored. When are you going to hatch? How funny! Go on, hurry, and break out of your shell. Huh? Oh no! If I lose the egg, I'll be in big trouble. I have to find it quickly.
Maya gathered his courage and went out into the forest.
I'm okay. I'm not scared at all. Ouch! Mama?
Maya, are you okay? And what about the egg?
Huh?
Did somebody steal the egg?
Yes.
Oh no, Maya just lied to Mom.
Oh, dear. What should we do? Did it have a crest on its head? Did it have a short snout with hooked feet? It must have been an oviraptor, that egg thief. Baby Maya, don't you move. I will go get the egg back.
You can't. It's dangerous.
I have to go get it before something happens.
What's wrong? What happened?
My egg! Oh.
Your egg? It's right here. This is yours, isn't it?
Oh, it is! Where did you find it?
No, I went to find Mayu, and all of a sudden your egg came rolling along. I knew it had to be yours.
Maya said Oviraptor took the egg to the forest.
What? Oviraptor?
Actually, the egg just rolled away into the... I'm sorry.
Oh well, the most important thing is that nobody got hurt. Maya, please don't go into the forest on your own again. And don't lie.
I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
You're the most important thing in the world to me, okay? I love you so much.
Such a lovely Maiasaura family. Don't they look happy?
Good Mother Dinosaur, Maiasaura.